guys who are out there crossfitting and running down the street carrying tables, whatever the fuck it is that those people.
Pickup truck up there. Jeez.
I look at that stuff and I wince.
To think about when it comes to
expenses. Okay.
Let me explain.
You know,
aside from tuition and
that's just laziness.
Room and board, which covers housing and food, could cost
the investigation. Is there any doubt that the president did, in fact, use a White House visit to pressure President Zelensky to announce investigations of his political rival to benefit his re-election campaign?
I will answer that question.
I like to think so.
I would like just to comment to Mr. Buck that the majority.
Wife, she watches those fucking Real Housewives, and the way that these fucking
Leonard,
broads are
that was
dressed,
Subaru.
and the way that all this shit.
Absolutely, everybody gets excited. You need that. Well, this business
Really?
is particular, I think, during the TV era, which I think is kind of gone.
You go on the wrong side of the road.
Oh, absolutely.
Here's what I don't get. They go on the wrong side of the road to get to the left turn lane. Traffic here is going to move anyway within 10-15 seconds. That's totally unnecessary. I know there's no one coming, but still.
Busy.
He is 31.
Really?
You want to be doing
Hi,
41.
I'm a big white truck.
It's not the oil.
Well,
and you're not going to be turning left anytime soon anyway, so why'd you have to turn in front of me?
Going back to this thing where I want to drink. But however, I had
runner.
4 people this weekend ask me what I
had to make in the past, but now you're excited about where you're going. It's way more ideal to crash with your parents at 18
runner.
than it is at 25.
Whoa, whoa! Wow! That's what I call a Florida, I don't know. Alright, let's see how everyone screws up. Oh yeah, you go into the shoulder, take away his only... Get out of his way! Subaru driver. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. What? And I just passed the speed limit, and I'm a little above it, so I don't know what the... What the hell's that guy doing? Seriously.
Inherently a good thing. I remember this is something we had to go after Tulsi Gabbard for, because Tulsi Gabbard,
really?
Sometimes she does the
Prius.
The fetishization, wow, that's a hard word to say, of bipartisanship.
But one's going forward with the IPO and stuff, the other steering away, falling down a cliff. It's very, very fascinating to watch, because you watch it and it's like, this could
They're really merging on a major highway, only going
and
35.
One way that they are very similar to Uber is they had huge investments from the Japanese
it's
company
55 here, come on.
Who, Mayoshi, Mr. Son.
Mr. Giuliani said that he had stressed the importance of Ukraine conducting investigations into what happened in the past. And Mr. Yermak stressed that he told Mr. Giuliani it is the government's program.
With your real estate agent and say, do me a 5-mile radius analysis of this area, okay? Or 10 miles.
Where'd that red truck come from? Why are you stopping? God, you're a moron. Yeah, plenty of room to merge in.
So we're doing that until February. We're trying to figure out how we're gonna. We have to move out.
Really?
We need to figure out how we can do.
Yeah, just budgeted it.
Nope. It's the retarded rule out. No! FedEx. We ship your package quicker by being in the left lane where you cannot be there. FedEx. Oh, we got another one. Stevens Pipe and Steel. We get your pipe and steel quicker by being in the left lane where we can't be. Stevens Pipe and Steel. We lay the pipe, baby, in the fast lane.
I'm a straight white male, so I'm going to sound pretty arrogant, and I personally have hard standards on loyalty. I think you meant high standards, right?
I have to stop at my warehouse first. I gotta pick it. It'd be nice if you had a turn signal that you could use. But sure, you fit right in. I'm sorry. Hold on. He figured out what the fridge? You gotta be kidding me. Jeez. Just cut the guy off. Did he just run right through? I think it's safe. I gotta hurry! Hurry!
People believe, as opposed to actually looking at the evidence. The Centre for Inquiry, which my foundation has just merged with, is of course all about trying to get people off that.
Is this guy even signaling?
And to instead evaluate claims on the basis of
this is like the worst
critically
parallel park job ever.
Scientific evidence. But it's hard.
Actually happened. What we can prove, right? Not what we can speculate on, but what are at least the commonly agreed facts.
That guy.
It's very clear to me.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Why did he signal? Just give me a fucking heart attack? Okay. You don't see the guy with the flashing lights on.
Hold on. Plus free shipping. This discount also applies towards any product site-wise. Just go to omax.com.
This is now this is the one. So then I went and gave my shit stuff about Elvis and made sure that they had me. I'm going.
What
I said,
the fuck?
I lived in his backyard. I said, come on, I'm from. We used to do that. We had like a sparrow or a goldfish. You do that, and I said, where did they get a fucking shoebox?
Yeah,
to
stop.
Get up to that fat part? And so I didn't endear myself at all. Then I went trading.
Box and you're gonna be going to fucking, Saskatchewan over the holidays.
Red light runner, Nissan drivers.
Yeah.
Severely undermines the future of this institution.
Yes.
I'd like to quote what we heard from the Democratic
Honda has a stop.
Mr. Burke in his opening comments. It is
What
the
the
hope
hell?
that in these discussions we can
All right.
put aside political rank.
That street to the right has a stop sign. This one that I'm on does not. Those two cars should have stopped and let us go.
Right, and above all, the army soldiers in helmets.
What?
Got it. Well, you said don't be alarmed, right?
That's correct.
PVTA bus does not stop at that stop sign.
And when it's released,
and neither does that guy.
Kinds of interactions between President Zelensky.
Red light runner.
Because we only understand things in the shapes that we can currently comprehend, but if something were not bound by our understanding of the world, could it look entirely different?
Of course.
In a form that we just don't understand.
To pay. Justice Breyer, this is day one of contracts law. I say to you,
Red.
on the flagpole. If you bring it down, I'll pay you $10.
Crosswalk right here, dude.
I hate to say this, one of the best Thanksgivings I ever had was the last Thanksgiving I was single. And
I don't even think they make Scion. No, that's a Nissan Cube.
There you go. You know, I always get the last thing. I keep saying this the last thing.
Prius.